नमस्कार मंडळी. तर या रविवारी आम्ही गेलो होतो सिक्स फ्लॅग्स ग्रेट ॲडव्हेंचरला. तर सिक्स फ्लॅग्स ग्रेट ॲडव्हेंचरमध्ये रोलर कोस्टर राईड्स आहेत, वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आहेत आणि सफारी आहे. समर अजून सुरू झालेलं नसल्यामुळे सध्या वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स बंद होते, पण सफारी आणि रोलर कोस्टर राईड्स चालू आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही सफारी आणि लहान मुलांच्या काही राईड्स होत्या त्या केलेल्या आहेत. तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी तुम्हाला सफारी दाखवणार आहे आणि नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण राईड्स बघू. तर व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्की बघा. तर गाडी पार्क करून आम्ही आता सफारीला निघालेलो.
They're not going to sit on it. No, I'm so scared, Mama. Safari? Safari, yes, safari. Safari is the best.
इथे एंट्रन्सला बॅग वगैरे चेक करतात. फूड आयटम्स कुठलेही अलाउड नाही आहेत आणि फक्त पाण्याची बॉटल अलाउड आहे. आणि संडे होता तरीसुद्धा तशी फारशी गर्दी नव्हती. त्यांच्या सफारीच्या व्हेकल्स आहेत त्याच्यामुळे फार वेळ वेटिंग करावं नाही लागत. सफारी व्हेकल्समध्ये प्रत्येक रोला नंबर दिलेले असतात आणि आपण ज्या रोमध्ये उभे असू त्याच रोमध्ये आपल्याला जाऊन बसावं लागतं आणि प्रत्येक सीटवरला सीट बेल्ट असतात. बसल्यानंतर आपल्याला सीट बेल्ट लावावा लागतो आणि प्रत्येक गाडीमध्ये एक गाईड असतो जे आपल्याला या सफारीची माहिती देतात, प्राण्यांची माहिती देतात आणि त्या परिसराची सुद्धा माहिती देतात.
Bob's our driver. This is Bob and Heroes. You got pair of Bobs today, so give it up for Bob, our driver. We'll take you on a fun adventure. A couple safety things first, okay? Number one, we want to keep these animals on free range. This is where they live. We are the visitors. Okay, we are the visitors. This is their home. So we give them that respect. We're like North America, South America, Africa, Asia, India, Northern Europe, Australia, all around the world. We're going to show you some really interesting animals and tell you some fun facts. Have your cameras ready. I want you to take lots of pictures of me. Birds on the left side from South America. These are birds that don't fly. I mean, birds not fly. Well, these birds, along with the ostrich and the emus in Australia, they have a flat breastbone. And if you're a bird with a flat breastbone, you can't get your wings up there and there. They're all gray males and females. Males have a black face now. Just drop the butts. Our first stop along the way is going to be in North America. And we're going to show you the American bison. These are some llamas. These are pack animals from South America. They're kind of related to the camel. Okay, they're working farm animals, and the coats are used for clothing. Those are the llamas. They have 7 bones in their neck, just like us. The male rhea has the black ring around the base of the neck, kind of a bob. On the left side, the large oak you see on the neck. Those are antlers. Those are males. This is the Roosevelt elk. David Teddy Roosevelt, our 26th president. Father of conservation. Look at the antlers. You see this fuzzy coating, a velvet coating. Okay, it's oxygenated blood through their heads, keeps them calm. Deer. New Jersey retail here, and they get individual species of these animals to keep their spots throughout their entire life. And there's one that's white up there. No color in the skin at all. Okay, it lacks the melanin, which gives our skin color. And it's very rare that you see an all-white animal. That's you look like a we'll show you in Australia the email is more pronounced than flatness. It's sort of family of birds called a rat-type family of water. On the right side is the Roosevelt oak. The males have the antlers, the females do not. These animals can get up to about 750 pounds. They're kind of fast runners. They're not in the water. They are a herd. They stay together. They protect their young. But this is the Roosevelt elk, named after Teddy Roosevelt, our 26th president. And we have the couple crossing the road over there. And the giraffe crossing the road. We have a buffalo. The bison is their actual name. They're shedding their winter coats. You can see all the spots. You can see all the hair is falling out. That's okay. Males and females have horns. They're shedding their winter coats as long as we get up to 2,000 pounds, about 45 miles an hour. This is the American bison. The babies are orange color. Millions of them. And only about 50. These bison here are direct descendants of those survivors. And this is one of the largest herds of bison here on the east coast of the United States. Right here in Cincinnati. Males and females.
Yes, DC.
Hey, take a look on the right side of the pond, on the right side, right in the middle of the pond. Look carefully, because you're going to see absolutely nothing. I just want to see if you're listening to me. An ostrich doing this with his wings, and there's a female there lying his Yeah, they weigh a little less than the 350 pounds. They eat everything on the ground, including the stones. These ladies, all females, are 60 years old. They've been here since 1974. Now the elephant has those long tusks, but you notice they don't have them anymore because they're older ladies, they're older elephants, and over the years, the tusks wear down. They have 6 sets of teeth in about 10 years. Okay, so in the wild they will live to be about 60 years old, and then they usually die of malnutrition. And the human fear, they'll live to be 80 years old, so they've got another 20 years before they get in. Okay. A lot of people ask us, what do we do? You see here in the winter time, take a look on the right side. Way back there, veterinarians and entire veterinary staff, 24/7, year round. Zebras. Stripes on a zebra like a fingerprint. 2 zebras have the same stripes. A whole bunch of zebras. The animals on the right side are Asian water buffalo. Now he's already said, Dr. Bob, you said that we're in Africa. What are the Asian water buffalo like water? And there's more water. Okay, we're going to come into my favorite. This is my favorite section. Every animal in here is in the antelope family, but they all have different names. They're all antelope. They all have hooves, and they're fast runners. On the right side, from East Africa, is the Besa oryx. Besa means East Africa. Oryx means antelope. So these animals get their name from where they're from, the African bongos. That's the Besa. After these is that line fences. Right around their tail. This is the ellipsis waterbuck. Ellipsis from the elliptical oval fur, white fur wing around their butts. And they are another type of antelope. Now, this guy here with the stripes.
Hey, more.
The right side. Take a look right side.
More.
This is the African bongo. Right side of the left
Wow.
side. The red high-coated cattle. These are working cattle. Those horns are about 3 to 4 feet around Africa. The red high-coated cattle. I don't know what happens. They're behind the fences. They're normally free roaming, but the construction noises spook them. So we have them here. All of the giraffes that you see here were born here in Africa. On the right side, we have more of the fallow deer. The other side of the fence line. The gray animals right up front on the fence here. Okay, that's the wildebeest. Again, the construction has resulted in them being behind the fence. I apologize for that. But up in front. They estimate that with the giraffe in 20 years, there will be no more giraffes in Africa because of the number of kills per year and the number of head counts that they have. Sport hunting, trophy hunting, okay, you have poaching, you have war, all these different events going on that are taken, but under human care around the world. Here it's a spa, it's a resort. There'll be activities with the kids going on. Right here in New Jersey, it's the only resort, spa, status spa on the East Coast. Okay, and we're already taking reservations from people from around the world coming to this thing. Okay, we got 25 of those glamping sections right here. Okay, we're going to take a look at some animals here. These are the gads. The gads are animal sheep that walk over the northern part of Africa. This is the Maddox. It's another type of antelope. Okay.
Wow. Lion sleeping.
They'll sleep 18 hours a day. 18. These lions you'll see in one here at 6 Flags. These are my thieves. These are my Jersey thieves. Male and female ostrich on there. Most lions will live about 12 to 15 years under human care. They're wild, maybe they have to hunt for their food. Leave Africa. They're going to come back to North America.
Daddy?
Everything. Cover your garbage. Favorite dish, food. On the right hand side, come around. We have Mama. She's got a couple of puppies. The mother will give birth during hibernation. When she wakes up, then she knows how many puppies she's got. She has no idea how many puppies she's going to give birth to. Puppies are born without their hearing and without their vision. Those two senses develop as cute as they are. You take a puppy and you put it in the rest of the animals, they will see that puppy as a threat, and they may attack and injure or even kill the puppy. On the little side over here, most of your black bear here are 6 feet in the rooms. Okay? It's a 2-night minimum. Very cool. Almost green stuff. Brown bear does not climb. It swims. It's flat. So when we pass the bears, just look at their feet. Look how big their feet are. You also see a longer nose. A big round along where the animals are territorial. They need to come into their territory. Look at it. They sleep. Here on the left side. What's interesting about the brown bear is that they give off the odor, and when you get further down the road, you can start to smell something very unusual. That's the smell of a brown bear. Yeah. That's brown bear. Right, how big they are. So how close to that? That was really cute.
अगं ते खेळतायत पण
As they say, he watches to appear to the that is the blue herons. This is where they live. Remember, we are the visitors. We are the visitors. This is a sample of New Jersey Penguins. 50 acres. This is the way we found it 50 years ago. Now, from New Jersey, it's well worth doing. Anyway, this is the didgeridoo pass. And didgeridoo is a musical instrument that's native to Australia. It's made from a hollow eucalyptus tree or a bamboo tree. And when you blow it in, wow!
Hey, kangaroo! Yeah, kangaroo.
Light tan color. So you see a kangaroo. The females are gray. Look low. That's where the pouch is. Basically, it's head sticking out, and you see some feet sticking out. To see the emu. The emu on the left is the second largest bird in the world, next to the ostrich. It has a flat underbelly. You can see the flat underbelly pronounced here in the medium. It has a blue head and it lays blue eggs. And it's a fast runner. That's the emu is a Portuguese word meaning big bird. That is the emu. Male here, the male standing up. And they're all no less than, let's see, 100 kids. Holes in the ground, just like the animals in the black, orange, and white. This is a brown tiger. Brown with a white underbelly. This is a climber, killer cat. We have to wrap the trees in metal so it doesn't fly out. Tigers are solitary. It's okay to see a tiger all by itself. It prefers to be by itself. They get up to about 450 pounds. The lions don't climb that well. They climb, but they stay together. They're solitary. They do whatever they want. Years ago, we had take a look. We were all left. We have the enclosures. Little snakes. The Siberian tiger is endangered. They estimate that there's about only 5,000 worldwide. I want you to think about this. There are more people here at Six Flags than there are Siberian tigers in the world. Think about that. Now it starts to get a little more. You see here on the left are the female and the babies and the young male black buck antelope, the smallest species of antelope in the world. The smallest species in the world. Males have the horns, and as they get older, their fur will get darker, the horns get longer. The babies are all together right there with the entire nursery on the Sunday. The larger gray animals in the back there, while the little guy or the blue cow, they are the best animals because the Siberian tiger population is dropping, and those are the natural, and the tigers are the natural predators for nilgai, so there's less tigers for nilgai. There's a large ranch in Texas that raises them. On the right-hand side, we have more of the black buck antelope and some of the babies on the left. These babies are born just a couple weeks ago. This is the smallest contact we have. This gives us the big wave, everybody on the right side. There he is. How you doing, Luke? Heading into Baboon country, Baboon village. Everybody knows the Baboon country. Baboons used to be free roaming here at Six Flags. Very large red mamba. They will sleep in the trees. Look up to about 80 pounds. Large and 3-4 inches long. Family-oriented type of species. They would stay together. Nice heated air-conditioned building. And again, the females, the males and females together. The females have a distinctive audience, so unintended, where we can educate you and sensitize you to the needs of our animals and why we have to take care of them so you don't lose.
तर आजचा हा व्हिडिओ इथेच थांबवत आहे. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण रोलर कोस्टर राईड्स आणि लहान मुलांचे राईड्स बघणार आहोत. तर व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू. बाय.
Hey,